20 common animals-related idioms with meanings and examples. Barking up the wrong tree. Meaning: to pursue a mistaken or misguided course of action. Examples: if you think I'm the one who messed up the project, you're barking up the wrong tree. He blamed his coworker for the mistake, but he was barking up the wrong tree. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning: to reveal a secret or surprise by accident. Examples: she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Don't let the cat out of the bag before his birthday. Straight from the horse's mouth. Meaning: directly from the original source. Examples: I heard it straight from the horse's mouth that the company is planning layoffs. If you want the facts, you should get them straight from the horse's mouth. Raining cats and dogs. Meaning: to rain very heavily. Examples: we had to cancel the picnic because it was raining cats and dogs. Don't forget your umbrella. It's raining cats and dogs outside. Crywolf. Meaning: to raise a false alarm or lie repeatedly. Examples: he cried wolf so many times that no one believed him when he was actually in trouble. If you keep crying wolf, people won't take you seriously. Horse around. Meaning: to play roughly or behave in a silly way. Examples: stop horsing around and get back to your homework. They were horsing around in the backyard all afternoon. Take the bull by the horns. Meaning: to face a difficult situation directly and with courage. Examples: she took the bull by the horns and confronted her boss about the issue. If you want to solve the problem, you need to take the bull by the horns. The elephant in the room. Meaning: an obvious problem or controversial issue that everyone is ignoring. Examples: no one wanted to address the elephant in the room, the budget cuts. We need to talk about the elephant in the room, our declining sales. Go to the dogs. Meaning: to deteriorate or decline in quality. Examples: the neighborhood has gone to the dogs since the new management took over. This company is going to the dogs if they don't change their policies. Smell a rat. Meaning: to suspect that something is wrong or someone is being dishonest. Examples: I smelled a rat when he started making excuses for being late. She smelled a rat when she noticed discrepancies in the reports. Get your ducks in a row. Meaning, to get organized or be prepared. Examples: you need to get your ducks in a row before the meeting. She spent the weekend getting her ducks in a row for the big presentation. Like a fish out of water. Meaning, to feel uncomfortable or out of place in a situation. Examples: he felt like a fish out of water at the fancy dinner party. I was like a fish out of water on my first day at the new school. Eager beaver. Meaning, a person who is very enthusiastic and works hard. Examples: she's always the first one in the office. Such an eager beaver. The eager beaver finished the project ahead of schedule. A snake in the grass. Meaning, a deceitful or treacherous person. Examples: be careful of him. He's a real snake in the grass. She pretended to be my friend, but she turned out to be a snake in the grass. Birds of a feather flock together. Meaning, people with similar interests or characteristics tend to associate with each other. Examples: it's no surprise they became friends. Birds of a feather flock together. You can tell they're birds of a feather by the way they act. The lion's share. Meaning, the largest portion of something. Examples: he took the lion's share of the profits from the business deal. She did most of the work, so she deserves the lion's share of the credit. A wild goose chase. Meaning, a futile or hopeless pursuit. Examples: looking for that old book was a wild goose chase. He sent me on a wild goose chase to find the missing files. Kill two birds with one stone. Meaning, to achieve two things with a single action. Examples: I killed two birds with one stone by running errands on my way home from work. By carpooling, they killed two birds with one stone, saving money and reducing their carbon footprint. Be a fly on the wall. Meaning, to observe something secretly or unnoticed. Examples: I'd love to be a fly on the wall during their meetings. She wanted to be a fly on the wall to hear what they were saying about her. Monkey see, monkey do. Meaning, to imitate someone without understanding the reason behind their actions. Examples. Kids often behave as monkey see, monkey do when they copy their parents. He doesn't know why he's doing it. It's just monkey see, monkey do. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.